Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a virtual background on Zoom. So all you have to do right now is open your Zoom app. This is the Android version. So usually in the past, the past version, you can set your background on the meeting option in here. But as you can see, since the updated version becomes Zoom Workplace, you cannot see the virtual background option anymore on the settings. So all you have to do right now, just join meeting. This is for example, you can tap on new meeting. As you can see, there is a toolbar under the camera. So just tap apps here. Wait, now loading. This one, virtual background. Discover the perfect virtual background. So this is because the virtual background itself become a third party, so powered by Pexels. Here you can choose your virtual background. There is a categories here: nature, interiors, art, travel, and you can search by yourself, or you can make it blur. Just tap on three dots beside the search filter and use the blur. So please free to try set your virtual background on Zoom mobile version. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.